Hey there! Welcome to the video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many our users face when dealing with categorical data in our data frames. The problem we have at hand is that we need to perform label encoding on multiple columns in a data frame, but we want to do it in a more efficient way. Instead of manually adding new columns for each encoded feature, we're looking for a way to automate this process for all the columns at once. This can be quite time-consuming, especially if you have a large data set with numerous columns that require label encoding. Now, let's delve into the solution for our problem. One neat trick we can use is the data.matrix function in R. By simply applying data.matrix df as .data.frame, we can swiftly convert all the categorical variables in our data frame into numerical values. This approach eliminates the need for creating new columns for each encoded feature individually, saving us a significant amount of time and effort. It's a quick and efficient solution that streamlines the label encoding process, especially when dealing with multiple columns simultaneously. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the challenge of performing label encoding on multiple columns in a data frame efficiently using the data.matrix function in R. This handy technique allows us to swiftly convert categorical variables into numerical values without the need for manual intervention. Remember, when dealing with a large dataset with numerous categorical features, automating this process can significantly increase productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.